Nice job. Going back for those rows and tricep extensions, we're gonna make sure that we're switching the leg that's in front this time. So if you had your left leg in front, this time you're gonna have your right leg forward and left leg as your kickstand foot, hinging at the hips, nice straight spine. And then we're leading with those elbows.
You're thinking, give me what you're drinking. Tell me what you're thinking, give me what you're drinking.
Nice job. We are moving on to our next set of 2 exercises. First up, sumo squat. So feet a little bit wider this time, toes pointed out on a diagonal. We're gonna drop into a squat. Dumbbells forward, palms facing outward. Keep those elbows glued for a curl. So come down and curl. Same thing at the top of our squat here. We wanna make sure we're not locking our knees out or sending our hips forward.